PBUH can be divided into several key periods. 1. Early life 570-610 say. Birth. Muhammad was born in Makkah in 570 CE. He belonged to the Quraysh tribe. Childhood orphaned at a young age, he was raised by his grandfather and later by his uncle, Abu Talib. Early career, he worked as a shepherd and later as a merchant. Known for his honesty, he was nicknamed Al-Amin, the trustworthy. 2. Marriage and family. At the age of 25, Muhammad married Khadija, a wealthy widow. They had several children, including Fatima, who would later become the mother of his grandsons Hassan and Hussein. 3. Prophethood 610-622 say. First revelation. At the age of 40, while meditating in the cave of Hira, Muhammad received his first revelation from the angel Gabriel. This marked the beginning of his role as a prophet. Preaching. He began to preach the message of monotheism, urging people to worship one God, Allah, and abandon idolatry. His message faced strong opposition from the Quraysh leaders. 4. Migration to Medina 622 CE. Due to increasing persecution, Muhammad and his followers migrated to Medina, then known as Yathrib, in an event called the Hijrah. This marks the beginning of the Islamic calendar. Establishment of the Muslim community. In Medina, Muhammad established a mosque and created a cohesive Muslim community. He acted as a religious leader, judge, and military commander. 5. Later years and conquests 622-632 say. Battles. Muhammad and his followers engaged in several battles against the Quraysh and other tribes, including the battles of Badr, Uhud, and the Trench. Treaty of Hudaybiyah. In 628 CE, Muhammad signed a 10-year truce with the Quraysh, which allowed Muslims to make the pilgrimage to Makkah. Conquest of Makkah. In 630 CE, Muhammad and his followers peacefully conquered Makkah. He cleansed the Kaaba of idols and established it as the center of Islamic worship. 6. Final years and death 632 CE. Muhammad continued to spread the message of Islam and consolidated Muslim rule in the Arabian Peninsula. He delivered his farewell sermon, emphasizing the importance of equality, justice, and piety. Muhammad passed away in 632 CE in Medina and was buried in the chamber of his wife Aisha. Throughout his life, Muhammad was known for his humility, kindness, and dedication to social justice. His teachings, recorded in the Quran and Hadith, continue to guide Muslims worldwide.